Hi, Lane Hickenbottom here with the Omaha Headshot Company. Today I'm going to talk about the Squinch. So one of the photographers I follow is Peter Hurley. He is a famous photographer out of New York City, and he has coined the term the Squinch. And one of the things I really try to pull out of my clients is to get people looking confident and competent, and the Squinch is key to this. So it's not the same as a squint like you do when you're trying to block out the sun when you're driving down the road into the sunset. It's more like I've got a look that says, I know something, and I know that you don't know it, and I know that you know that I know it. And so here it is. And so that, my friends, is the Squinch. If you want to practice it, if you have a headshot session coming up, either with Omaha Headshot Company or with somebody else, you may want to try a little mirror time looking at the Squinch. And that, with a little bit of smile, just really exudes confidence. Until next time, Lane Hickenbottom with Omaha Headshot Company.